Here I have Gionee M7 Power, and let me show you how to insert here micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply use some Vambertag special eject tool or simply paper pin to open this slot. Let's just press it right here. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device, so let me do it. As you can see here, you can insert the SIM card right here. You can insert here the micro SIM card in that slot, or you can use this slot for the memory card. So in my case, let me use for the memory card with the characteristic edge right here. This is my micro SD. And now let's insert the nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. And now let's put the whole thing into your device and press it to the end. Alright, let's switch on the device by using the power key. The Gionee is turning on. Let me just make sure that both cards are working properly. Alright, now we can unlock the screen. Here you can find and select the settings, so let me tap settings. From the list of settings, let's choose dual SIM settings. The SIM is reading one SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back, and here let's find and select more settings right here. Choose here storage and USB, and here you've got information about your memory card right here. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.